Hello everyone, this is Abhijeet Jaju. We have a company named Exclusive Interiors Private Limited. We are into interior designing services, consultancy as well as turnkey solutions. We are in this business for last 15 years. We have operations in Pune, Hyderabad, Mumbai and other cities as well. So this, as all you know, interior designing industry is not that well organized yet, and we have operations in multiple cities. And also, since we are into turnkey solutions, there are a lot many things required. So we were actually looking for some solution, automation solution, ERPs. We tried some ERPs and it didn't work out, and we came across MBA program by Kewal Kishan ji. So we during the introduction call itself, we enrolled into the program and we started implementing different tools and different forms and things that are taught in MBA program. It's a very well structured program with all the practical solutions. It's less theory and more practical. So when we started implementing all these things, there are a lot many things that we have implemented, right from CRM, customer relationship management, client inquiry, to operations, to human assets and whatnot. So everything has become very organized now. All the systems and processes are very well set. The end result of this systems and processes is, clients are very happy with the overall processes that we follow, the systems that we have, the updates that they get on regular basis. Teams are happy because the productivity is increased, the efficiency is increased. Everything is at the click of their button. They don't need to search or follow up or remind people. So there are different tools that we used: project management tool, task management tool, intranet, wherein all the data is at one place, and it is centralized, it's cloud based. So for our pan India operations, now we are starting our offices in different cities in India, right from Hyderabad. Hyderabad is our next office that we are opening up very soon. So all this management of projects will become very easy. It has already become very easy in Pune. Now when we start our offices, our targets are like 10,000 spaces by 2030, and we want to have at least offices at least in 6 locations by the end of 2023. So this program has really helped us in each and every aspect, data collection to data management, to follow up, and everyone is very well sorted now. Everyone knows what needs to be done next, the processes, the workflow, the systems, leads tracker, and everything. So I thank you, Kewal ji, and your team. The support that I get from your team is wonderful. Everyone is so well organized in your organization. So that's a good thing to see. And really thanks a lot from the bottom of my heart. All the best. Thank you.